Alright, so guys, you're welcome once again to Chaos Music. And today I'm just gonna show you a very major thing that you have to know on your piano. Right, you have to know on your piano, and it will help you very much, which is these buttons or these functions that you have to know: the split function or the split button, the dual, and the major. So on the piano we have the major voice, or yeah, the major voice, the split voice, and the dual voice. Now when we talk about the main voice, is the main when you off the keyboard like this, right? Let me put it off. And when you on it like this, yeah, the voice that appears on the keyboard right now, which is the live piano, is the main voice, right? And we have the dual voice. The dual voice is the other voice that you want to add, or you want to layer it. You want to layer it so that the voices will become two. So we have the main voice and we have the dual voice, and we have the split voice that goes on the left side of the keyboard. So you can layer three voices on the keyboard, right? So just that I said, we have the dual voice, we have the main voice, and we have the split voice, right? So that is what I'm gonna show you how to layer your voices, and I'm gonna show you some voices that you can use. Okay, so before I do that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscription button and subscribe, and click on all so that you get all notifications, and don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'll just show you how it operates, and I'll show you some voices, and I will demonstrate it how it should be done. Okay, so let's off the keyboard again and on it. Now on my keyboard is PSRE W410. Here you can see, yes. So in fact, if you have any keyboard that you have, you can apply this any keyboard, whether whether Casio, whether Nord, or whether Yamaha. You just need, for other keyboard such as Casio um, or Nord, you have to apply like the same idea. You understand? The same idea. Okay, so for example, we have keyboard PSR E443, PSR E553, E463. Yes, all those keyboards, they are similar to mine. All those Yamahas are similar to mine. Okay, now, so what we have on the screen now is a live piano, and this is how it sounds. Yeah, it's the main voice, right? It's the main voice. Now I want to show you something here. Go to your function and you see, and search for main voice. All right, search for your main voice. Yeah, this is my main volume. This is my main volume. So go to the main volume category and you see main volume. The main volume helps you to control the volume of your main voice, which is the live piano. Yes, it helps you to control the volume of the main volume. Though we have the main volume here, but we also have the volume for the main voice, you understand? So you can control it. If you turn this thing down, it turns it down. You understand? So it gives you, right? So if you turn it up, it turns the volume up. You understand? Okay. And the next one is the main octave, right? The main octave. So if you turn it up, it gives you the octave. You understand? Yes. And the next one is the main pan, reverb, sorry. and chorus. In the next video I'll explain it more. Okay, so right now I want us to just know the main volume, the main octave, yes, the main volume and the main octave. Now let's go to the dual volume. Now when you look here, you see dual and split. Let's first do dual. Now this is the dual note, right? If you want to know where the dual volume is, or where to operate, where to go to add the dual voice to it, the quickest way is to just press and hold. If you press and hold for maybe 2 to 3 seconds, it shows you the dual voice, which is strings, right? It shows you the dual volume, and when you press and hold it, it just links you to the volume, sorry, the function, you know. So maybe, for example, if you go back to the main volume and you want to go back to the dual volume, you can click on function, right? Then you search for your dual volume or the dual voice. But secondly, you can also, in another way, you can also click, hold, and you hold on the dual note, then it will link you to the dual voice. And same, we have the dual voice, you have the dual volume that you can, yes, and you also have the dual octave, just as I showed you. And the same thing applies to the split. Also, you click and hold, you press and hold, and it links you to the split voice, right? So the split voice, you use a category, yeah, to move to the split volume, then split octave, right? Yes, and so on and so forth. So this is how we use the split, the dual, and the main voice function, right? Now lastly, I want to show you some voices, so I want to demonstrate it for you to know how it really works. Okay, so for worship, let's come back to our main volume, or our main voice, sorry. So our main voice, so for worship, let's go to strings as our main volume, right? Strings on my string is at 70, so 070, then we have strings, right? So this is strings. Okay, now let's dual it with something. I want to dual it with clean guitar, right? And so if I want to dual it with clean guitar, I just go to dual, I press and hold, yes, then I get my dual voice. And I want to dual it with clean guitar, which is on number 48, I think, 048, yes, clean guitar. So after you select your clean guitar, you see, look at this place where the touch is, you know, where the touch is. If you finish with it, you press on again to activate it. Look at it. You see the dual thing there? Yeah, the dual. So if you press it again, it deactivates it. If you press it again, it activates it. You understand? So when it activates, it means it has been activated. So you get it, how it sounds. Yeah, so this is how it sounds. And let's go to the split voice. Now the same thing, you press and you hold and you select your split voice. Let's say I want my split voice to be sweet soprano sax, which is, I think, at number 095. Yes, sweet soprano sax. So after you do this, you press on the split again to activate it. You see, after you activate it, you see you have your split there, so you can play, right? see how it sounds, it means it's on a very low octave. So what I told you, you just click on the category, then you go to split octave, then maybe +1, then yeah, you can +2, yeah. See, this is on my left. So it has been splitted on my left, and the string and the clean guitar is on my right. You understand this? Okay. So I just wanna help you with it's just simple. The split volume, the split voice, the main volume, the main voice. You know how to do that settings. I think it's really help. Okay, so you can try with any voice that you think of, and if you have any question you can ask me. Thank you very much. Bye.